Wadhi mbele, jalup jatend piny Kithure Kindiki obagoromo mar loso thuolo mag tije mopogore ne rowere maromo milion 1 e pinje maoko. Kindiki wacho ni madirom rowere 5,000 oseyudo tije e pinje maoko ka piny owacho geto loso thuolo makamago maromo 10,000 e higa ka higa. Kindiki bende okoni piny owacho osechuo kogno e orak mar winjruok gi pinje 6 moriwo pinje mag Jo-Arabu kata United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Uingereza, Jerman kanyakla gi Austria mondo olos thuolo mag tije ne rowere mathurka. Oluwo ni piny owacho dhi nyime gi keto winjruok gi pinje mamoko mar neno ni rowere ma pachoka oyudo tije e pinjego.
Main theme of President Ruto was kazi ni kazi. A job doesn't have to be the permanent and pensionable. That's one type of a job. A job is a job. I have seen some people trying to ridicule the young people, the 160,000 young people now engaged in the housing program, saying these are temporary jobs. What will happen to these young people when the projects are over? If we can engage 200,000, 300,000, 500,000 young people for the next 2, 3, 4 years in this program, as opposed to them staying idle, we will have gone a long way in getting jobs for the people of Kenya. And by the time that program is over, we will have devised the next program for short-term, mid-term, or even long-term jobs. We are encouraging as many young people as possible who get opportunities and have energy and qualifications to work outside Kenya to go and work anywhere in the world. In that respect, we have already signed bilateral labor agreements with 6 countries